Hey guys, our group today will talk about endangered species. What do you know about endangered species?
Can you explain for us?
Yes, in my understanding, endangered species are animals or plants that are at risk of extinction due to a variety of factors, including habitat destruction, poaching, pollution, climate change, and invasive species. So after that, can you explain endangered species?
Yeah. So I think the endangered species is the animal was on the brink of extinction. That's okay.
Why would we need conservation about endangered species?
I think us need to conserve the endangered species because if some species going die off, it will impact very much to our life and to the nature. First is about the biodiversity and the ecosystem health. When the species will die off, it will decrease the biodiversity and the ecosystem health will be disrupted very much. It's about the food web. Food web will be disrupted because of the endangered species. Because of the some species go extinctions. For explain the food web is I have an example that when a predator go dying off, their prey species will be overpopulations and they will overconsume the plants and the small organisms and it's really disrupting the entire ecosystem. For example, in real life, is the wolf and the deer in the Yellowstone National Park. In Yellowstone, wolf were hunted to extinction in the early 19th. Without wolf, the deer populations very much and more deer, and so that more deer means they eat more plants, which caused the number of plants to decrease. This affected other animals who depend on these plants for food and shelter. So that the people in Yellowstone was take the wolf to the nature to balance the food web. So, what do you think about the conservation?
Well, in my opinion, the reason why we choose conservation in Asia species is that they have a huge impact on economy. See, the nature provide a lot of supply to very fields like medicine, food, or entertainment. Let's take an example about panda in Chinese. They are the main animal that attract human and make big money in tourism industry. So if the panda die off, then the tourism industry in China will be reduced or maybe will actually collapse. I think there will be more another reason like ethical in endangered animal. Can you explain about that?
In my opinion, protecting endangered animals is very necessary. In some countries, certain animals are considered religious symbols of that country. For example, in India, people worship elephants very much, and as we know, the number of elephants in the world is decreasing sharply. For India, elephants are some sample of God, and that brings them luck. So they propose policies to protect elephants. In Australia, the kangaroos are also considered symbols, and these animals is almost inviolable in the countries. Therefore, some animals have to protect their people beliefs and give their cultures a unique highlight. Therefore, protecting endangered species is very necessary. Give me some. What do you think about concern animal endangered species?
Yes. So we have some impacts, but if some is endangered species going die off, so I think that is very important to conserve the endangered species nowadays. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
That all now group
Thank you guys
talk
for
about
sharing. So I hope we will have a good talk today.
Thank you guys.
that all now group talk about endangered species.